What's up everyone, welcome to Zilflex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can create your very own brochure, business card, wedding card, invitation or something. All of the things you like to have is going to be free for you, and how you can go and create it by this website. Actually, I had a client that I have to make some brochures for them, and that's how I came across this website. And now I'm going to go and introduce you to Brothers at Your Side. Actually, the website name is creativecenter.brothers, but anyways, so this website actually helps you create invitation card like birthday, new baby, wedding, and all. You can see it on your screen. All right, next is calendars. Another one is papercraft and all, games and all. Just go and look forward for that. I'm just scrolling in the menus. You can look already on that. Seasons and for work. So for work, I was like, I have to create a brochure. That's how I ended up on this website. So I created like brochures. I spent some time, and the amazing thing about this website, it doesn't give you a watermark and the project has been completed. So it's free. Just go and give it a shot, and you'll definitely love to go and start working on this website. All right, so mine was for like business purpose, but anyways, let's go and see like event planning. Right, so this looks pretty nice to me, like wedding professionals, event planning. And just go and scroll up like what kind of things you like. I will go with music anyways. Alright, so after you visited on this, you have to go and scroll it. You may be also be interested in like just go and see out the templates you like. So poster template, so I'm going to go and click on poster template. I want to work on this one. Alright, so how I'm going to go and do that is going to go and click on personalization. That means you get an online editor on this website itself. So how cool is that? Just go and accept the terms and conditions. Hold up, it will go and load up the editor for you, and there you have it. This is like you have to go and add your phone number. Just click on it. You can go and click on edit. That's how you can go and create like my number is, for example, I'm gonna go and give you my number. That's so creative. My number is 999 and 555. Fax number, so nobody uses fax, so just go and click like mobile, MOB, and hit on it. It will automatically detect the color, and if you want you can go and change the color as well. Right, so this is the theme which has been given the editor and all. If you want you can go and add your default one as well. So if you go and click on image, it will give you the option that you can go and click on image. If you have a font, just go and click on this one. Go and search for font you like. You have the example of adding a size, uppercase, lowercase. If you want the color to be like yellow, just go and click on yellow. It will be yellow. I will go with like for example green. That's cool. I'll go with green, and that's how this looks. If you want you can go and change the edit. For example, this is me and I spelled out this wrong. I will go with capital T, and that's about it. This is me. Your text will be Zilflex, and that's how. This is me, Zilflex. Lorem Ipsum, like dummy text. Lorem Ipsum. You can go and move it as well. You can go and give it a broader, shorter, just like an editor, online editor. You have it. You can go with all of the transition like brightness and all. Just go with brightness. I will go with like light. So this yellow looks like this. You can go and change this, for example, contrast. Just go and give it a shot. You will definitely go and learn something new. Just go and see what kind of things you can do with this. I just made it the sample just to explain you how you can go and do. You can go with decoration. You can go and add your own photo. For as I said, go and browse it on your screen. So I'll go on my desktop. I have, for example, this red button. I'll upload that button. Your button is right over here. I will go and drag it and drop it. Here's my button. I will keep it. For example, you can go and add a logo of yours, just like this button. Just imagine that this button is your logo. So this is your logo. You can go and add it in that one. Alright, so after you have done all of your editing and all, just go and click on preview. If you want, you can go and directly print it on your, if you have a plugged in printer, or you can go and save it. It will give you the option that if you want to edit after this has been created, it will give you option that you can go and upload your file. That is extension is .bcc. That is going to go, you can go and upload it on this website, and you can go and edit it later on as well. You can go and save it as PDF. It will directly go and create a PDF for you, and automatically it is going to go and download it for you. So this is how simple it is to create like brochure, poster, business card, and a lot of everything. You can go and do that just for free without paying any money to this website. It's free. Just go and take the advantage of that. Decoration, text, it's so simple. I don't need to go and explain you each and everything because it's very simple. Alright, so that's about it for this video. I hope you learned something new and try to go and make use of it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out. Link of this website will be in the description. Always check my description if I go and show you something about the websites. See you guys next time.